Okay, section 5.4 is on sales promotions. So stores will have different deals posted. Some things are 25% off, or buy one, get the next one half off, or a third off, so as a fraction, or sometimes they have to open a credit card, get a credit card to get the first item that you buy at a discount, so a variety of things. So in the try these, it says circle the best deal on a case of juice that regularly sells for $8.99. So it says buy two, get one free, discount of 30%, sale price of $6.99, and a fourth off the regular price. Okay, so in choosing these, the first one, you're going to have to buy three. In the other ones, you don't have to buy three. So as long as you're okay with buying three, then perhaps that's an option. Otherwise, you would look at the other three options. But if you do that, then let's calculate that. You buy two, get one free, so it would be 2 times $8.99 would be the total, but then you divide by 3. So 2 times $8.99 divided by 3, you can do that in your calculator yourself, is $5.99 each. Okay, so obviously that one is cheaper than $6.99. Discount of 30%, think about that. That means you're going to pay 70% of the cost. And so calculate what 0.7 times $8.99 is. So do that in your calculator. You get $6.293, but rounds to 29 cents. So that one is not the cheapest. And then think about that, a quarter off compared to a discount of 30%. Well, 30%, a quarter off is 25% off, and 30% still wasn't low enough. So that's not going to be the one. So it's going to be this one, as long as you can buy 3 and not have them go to waste. Next one, Evan is an event planner. He is saved to buy an $800 suit for work. A department store offers this sales promotion. Evan got the card and bought the suit. How much did Evan save? So it's in the little cartoon on the left, the little diagram. Get our credit card and get 25% off your first purchase. So how much did Evan save? So we here, if we're looking for what he saved, we're just finding what 25% of 800 is. So that's 0.25, same as a quarter. And so 25% of 800 is 200. You can do it in your calculator if you need to. So Evan saved 200. Now, saying that, he now has a credit card. And so it's a department credit card. It charges more interest than a regular credit card. And so he'll have to be careful that he doesn't spend and not pay it back. Okay, so as long as he pays that what he owes, which I guess would be $600, then he would be fine in that grace period. Okay, Justine is buying a $2,300 home theater system. The store is having an opening sale. Everything in the store is 10% off. If you apply for the store's credit card, the price is reduced by another 15%. So that would be after taking the 10% off. Okay. Interest on the credit card is 21% per year, compounded daily. The grace period is 30 days. So Justine plans to pay off the cost on the credit card in 6 months. So she's not paying it off right away. So she's going to have to make payments. Well, it says she's making it a single payment 6 months. So she's going to have to pay interest. So we're going to calculate if she still actually saves some money. So how much will Justine pay after the discounts? So first is 10% off. So the workbook does it in steps. You might want to just take 90% of the $2,300. to get what is paid. But they're doing it, take the 2,300 and then whatever 10% of 2,300 is and subtract it. So that's 2,300. That just moves the decimal to the left one, so minus 230. And so what the cost is now after that 10% is going to be 2,070. You can do it in your calculator if you need to. So then the 2,070 is going to be reduced by 15%. So 2,070 minus 15%, 0.15 of 2,070. And what is that when it's calculated? So you can get your calculator out. So 0.15 times 2,070 is $310.50. And then subtract that from 2,070. Is $1,759.50. So that's what she will owe before, after the discounts, before the interest. So now she's going to have to, she's not going to pay it off. She's going to wait for 6 months. So it's 1 plus, what was the interest rate here? 21%. So 0.21. Now, again, it's daily interest, 365. And so how many days for 6 months? If you look over here, we're going to just do an average of 30 days. Some have 31. February has 28. We don't know, which it is. So on average, we'll just take 6 times 30, which is 180. So in our calculator, if we do it in steps, 0.21 divided by 365, enter, plus 1, enter. To the exponent, 6 times 30 is 180. And then times by $1,759.50. So 1951.43. 1951.43. And so she will still have saved money. So take 2,300 and subtract 1951.43 and 348.57. Okay, so now you can do the practice, and then 5.5 we're going to skip. You can do it if you like, but it's not mandatory. So then you go to the chapter review and the chapter test.